dog. Here, I'm gonna go pull on that carpet. It's kind of fucked up.
Rest another day, and then you can do it another day. Where if you fuck your wrist, then you're out for a couple of weeks.
Yeah, I know you've got fucking got it. You hit that one.
Yeah, I just don't want to be scared of it. I want to track your ass. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because last time I hit, I crashed.
Don't grab today.
No.
Don't. No. Just hit it. Just hit it so you can be like, I'm not scared of that. So when you come back, you don't have to figure it out. You can just start doing grabs.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, dude!
Why did you do that again?
I have no idea. Are you okay? Damn it, dude. I thought he had that all day, though, honestly. Like, if you fuck it up that bad once, like, how can you do that again?
You have the
Yeah, it was, but it's the fucking wide angle. There's no way I got it. I got him rolling up to him.
I think it's time for him to be a cook.
Yeah, well, where's his hole? You gotta bury him, dude. He's fucking dead. What?
Are you whipping over Tatiana?
Yes.
It's so sick.
Yeah. It's good. I keep overshooting it though. Yeah, You can just lean it over in that rut. From the far outside, I see.
Check it out. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You gotta be on it, huh?
Kinda, yeah. I mean, I'm in first gear.
First gear.
Slid off the top of
yeah,
it.
you slid off and scrubbing and landing, and your bike, not even straight on the landing, and who cares?
Yeah.
Right? I like that roller I put in. It's more fun, right?
Which one? Big old tits. I'm gonna hit that one more time. I ain't scared. Ooh, I'm not going out like that today. That thing's fucked.
I heard.
Dude, that was so scary.
Dude,
Everyone's going over the bars today.
What the fuck? I heard the rev limiter.
Yeah.
I saw you jam on your brakes.
Yeah.
I just saw.
He's going for another one. He's got to rebate that.
Yeah.
There we go. Very chill.
I can't believe the carpet's like getting more wet.
Yeah, I think I'm done, dude. I'm gonna biff.